Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my May Currently page for 2021. So the divider has this cute bicycle, says my favorite color is spring, but then this page has like this mustard yellow, orange, like it's just not balancing very well. So I'm going to pretty much cover up all of this over here and make it much more spring themed. So I'm using the spring sticker book and using the stickers that go along with it. And then the colorful boxes right here that's in this student colorful boxes book. So this is quite an older book, but I think it's going to work out pretty well. And I really don't need anything else other than this one page. So let's just go ahead and start covering it up. Making Currently pages has been quickly turned into one of my favorite pages to create. I feel like I get extra creative with it, and they always turn out, I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but it's just always a lot of fun. Like, they always turn out to be so cute. So I get excited to do them. Okay. The rest, okay, I'll just do this. Oh. So this is my Post-it correction cover-up tape, and I use it a lot when I'm covering up a really large area so that I don't have to use up all of my whiteout. But I'm really trying to finish this, so I might just, because the only problem, I love it, but it is like full out paper thickness. So it really thickens up the page. And so once I pop it back into the discs, it makes things really chunky. Plus you put stickers on top of it. Like it's not good. So I'm like, let's just use the whiteout. Okay. All right. So in here are letters in the back. So I'm gonna write out May Currently. Thought that would be cute. And we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I have enough space. Yeah, I definitely have enough space. So that's good, but let me actually put something right there. Like these flowers, that would be cute. Let me just move this around a little bit. All right. And then okay. So I'm gonna have this. Okay. And for some reason, I'm just now realizing that there's a full sheet for each color of letters. So one of my recent videos, I used this book and I definitely did not realize that. So, but nobody called me out on it on the video. And now I can put some washi along the bottom. There. That is nice. Cool. Very nice. Okay. So I'm mostly going to be focusing on this page of stickers because they match the divider. My only problem is going to be having to white out all of the little details in the boxes. So I like to do in the range of like 5 to 8 boxes. So we'll just see as I am sticking down what's gonna fit. That is really cute. Okay, maybe I can do like a bigger one. This is cute. Okay. And then I can put this flower. Very cute. Right. And then this watering can. How many is that? 5. Okay. So that's 6. And then inside of this book is a page of things that you can use. So let's put going, feeling, singing, thinking, loving. Let me put it down here actually. Loving. And let's do let me put this as a label so that you can't see that yay, and then I can label it like that. So let's put dreaming. Cute. Okay. And then the rest we can just decorate. Shovel. Sunglasses. Flower. Okay, what else? These little flowers would be good. Wonder if there's like a cute quote or something that I could put here instead of these sunglasses, because it feels a little bit empty for my taste. So I can put sunglasses, maybe here, but this definitely needs some kind of quote. Bloom where you're planted. Or hello spring. Cute. Okay, good. Very cute. Okay. So, oh, and I need to punch that. All right. Looks very good. All right, awesome. So that is the final page, and then I'm gonna fill it all in, and then I will be posting it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, it's the same handle on YouTube and Instagram and everything, Facebook as well. And it's just simply Megan Plans. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you have any questions about making a Currently page, definitely ask me. I always get back to all the comments. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye guys.